Hello everyone, welcome to Would You Rather. So this challenge is going to be pick the slime that is so stretchy and pick your favorite ones. Okay, let's get started. I will set the time. Okay, let's check it out. So this one, I'm not doing the name. Last, I'm going to check it out. Let's check it out. I think this is not actually. Are you kidding me? I thought it was actually slime, but now it's actually not a slime. I don't know why it keep doing like that. I don't know. Okay, let's check our slime. Let's see how stretchy it goes. Maybe this is the answer, but let's keep checking. Our last slime. I can't. It keeps stretching out. So let's put it back now. Okay. I just do like this because it was not stretching and my hand not uncomfortable. That's why I did like this to make sure I'm okay. And our last slime, I made it in my house with Elmer's clear glue. And there are some sparkles that I added. It is stretching, but it broke. So this is not it. Okay, let's review the name. This is Gluey Balls. That's not my favorite, but I would still want to share the thing. This is Gluey Balls. This is Giggly Slime. And this is Clear Glue and Glitter Slime. Actually, I hope that you're amazed in this thing because the thing that the giggly slime actually cannot stretch like that. Actually, I bought it somewhere that is so expensive, but I hope you like it. And it actually stretches a lot. And you might like this. So don't be scared that the jiggly slime will be broken and we have to throw it in the trash can like that. Well, it actually doesn't. You could see. I could stretch it. It goes even longer than my hand. See? It's actually stretching, right? So don't be scared that it will actually broke. And if you try this, you might like it and you will keep on doing this. And last is our sparkly slime, but I do like it, but it always breaks. Well, actually, it doesn't stretch that well, but it actually pops so well. Then the stretchiest slime, like this. See guys, it's actually so popping like that. So, but this one doesn't actually, it actually stretches and pops. Actually, did you see that? It actually pops. Well, this one doesn't stretch and doesn't, well, it pops but not stretches that well. See? It actually pops a lot. And my pleasure to show you. And which slime do you rather? I would rather this one. Our I like the giggly slime more. I don't like these and these, but it's fine. I like it though. So, bye. If you like this, please subscribe. And what else I want to show you is that let's sing a song. If you want up to do, I have so much would you rather things to do. So pick your favorite thing because it's life. Things for would you rather. Bye guys.